Hello YouTube, it's me with the tool channel again. My bench is a complete mess. I've gotten a whole lot of junk in, and well, I'm going to show you some tools in this video I picked up, or that picked me up or whatever. And after that, I'm probably going to turn the camera around, and I don't know if I will turn it around or not. It's a fucking mess. But anyway, I got a couple tools that I'll show you, and like this little thing here I picked up. It's a tiny little like hacksaw. See, chop, chop, chop. It's a neat little bugger. It says absolutely nothing on it, believe it or not. Just a knurled rod with a little screw-in thing with a block. It looks like it was welded or soldered in there, and a little thing majiggy. See? Oh, you can see how good that is. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I also picked up a, I don't know why, it's not even part of the garage, but I don't know what that. I assume this is a pasta cutter. It's pretty cool. I got it because it's brass. The whole thing is made of brass. It's pretty neat. It's like, I mean, I don't know. Does it look like a pasta cutter to you? It looks like a pasta cutter to me. See the pattern on it? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Anyway, I got that thing. I also picked up a set of vintage Blacksmith tongs. It says it's Heller Brothers Co. USA. Apparently went out of business. Apparently we're a predominant company. I'm not sure what the hell these are used for. I only got a few, but one of these days. And I also got these little flat ones. These look like they're hand forged mofos. They're a nice set of tongy tongs used in barbecue to pick up some steaks. So yeah, got that. And if you're wondering and looking in my video here and you see this and a few other items on here, I have a few more items to show, but I'm gonna wait because I have a complete utter mess in here. But what else is new, right? So, but I'll explain it in another video. So anyway, that's pretty much new little tools. I have a bunch of other bigger tools I want to show you, but I'll save it in another video. And don't forget to like and subscribe and check all the fellows below I have listed. Thanks for watching. Uh-oh. It's recording. There you go. You weirdo.